Assuming you have conducted your fire risk assessment and purchased fire extinguishers appropriate to the risks you have identified, the next step is to position them in the premises for optimum accessibility and ease of use. Every building has its own particular layout and structural constraints, but there are some basic guidelines you can follow to ensure your fire extinguishers are best placed for action if a fire occurs. Firstly, locate your extinguishers in conspicuous positions centrally placed in the building so they will be readily seen. If possible, position them along a fire escape route. Don't fix on walls behind opening doors or hide away in cupboards, and certainly don't just place the extinguisher randomly on the bare floor where it can be overturned or damaged. As a guide, position your extinguisher in such a way that no member of staff is required to travel more than 30 metres from the site of a fire to reach an extinguisher. If you have different types of fire risk requiring different types of fire extinguisher, position individual extinguishers close to the relevant fire risk. Provided you can comply with the 30-metre rule, co-locating fire extinguishers in a single fire point is recommended for ease of location and access in an emergency. If you do create a fire point in this way, you should provide clearly marked signs adjacent each fire extinguisher indicating the different types of extinguisher and the class of fire they can be used on. A Know Your Extinguisher sign gives specific information on the use of each extinguisher. You can get signs that also include operating instructions, and on all quality extinguishers, the instructions are also on the canister itself. Having decided where to place your extinguishers, you now need to ensure they are securely located and protected from accidental damage, vandalism and theft, but remain accessible for quick deployment in an emergency. Extinguishers can be securely hung on the wall brackets and screw fixings provided with each extinguisher. Avoid using off-the-shelf clamps and brackets. Check that the structure of the fixing surface and wall is strong enough to support the total weight of the extinguisher before fixing. As a guide, fix heavier extinguishers to the wall with the carry handle 1 metre from the floor. At this height, it is easier to lift the extinguisher off its bracket. Fix smaller extinguishers weighing up to 4 kilograms or so with a carry handle around 1.5 metres from the floor. Remember to fix the matching extinguisher ID sign adjacent to the extinguisher. In open access buildings such as hospitals, shopping malls and public buildings, security and protection from vandalism is a greater concern. Fire extinguisher cabinets are available in both sheet metal and high-impact plastic to accept up to 2 9-litre fire extinguishers. The new rotationally moulded cabinets have multiple anchor points to allow fixing to a wall, floor, post or the chassis of a heavy goods vehicle. Tamper-evident seals and key locks used in conjunction with a break glass key holder offer further security. As I said previously, simply placing extinguishers in direct contact with the floor is not recommended, but there are a wide range of low-cost floor stands available to suit any extinguisher combination. These simple but effective moulded stands provide a stable, corrosion-proof base and recess to locate the extinguishers and come in a range of sizes to accommodate different sizes and types of extinguisher. Slightly more sophisticated and robust are the upright moulded extinguisher stands, often used as the basis for fire points. The raised back offers more stability and is convenient for attaching extinguisher information signs. Tubular steel stands suited to more heavy-duty industrial and commercial premises have a durable finish and are supplied with brackets and fixing kit for secure attachment of the extinguishers. A chrome-plated version offers a stylish and hygienic solution for hospitals, clean rooms and modern offices, and ideally complements our range of stainless steel and polished aluminium fire extinguishers. If the fire risk on your premises are not static or your business operation covers a wide area, mobile extinguisher stands and trolleys that have fixings to attach 1 or 2 large hand-operated fire extinguishers are available. You can tailor a mobile fire point with the extinguishers of your choice to rapidly deploy to any part of the premises in a fire emergency. The range is completed by a practical wheeled fire point with push-pull handle, stabilising legs and back panel for attaching safety signage. useful for providing temporary fire protection on construction sites and industrial premises. They are also widely used on garage forecourts where the unit can be quickly and easily moved to a secure location during closing hours. From an insurance liability and health and safety point of view, you should ensure any installation work is carried out by a competent person. If you are fixing fire equipment to a wall, be careful to check that the wall or structure to be drilled is free from hidden electrical cables, pipework, or any other obstruction before commencing fixing. Of course, if all this sounds too much to handle, you can employ a professional fire safety company to conduct your fire risk assessment and install and commission your fire extinguishers in line with the current fire safety codes of practice. You can find more details on our website. And remember, when it comes to your safety, come to fireandsafetycentre.co.uk.